This is iMac. This iMac is coming to no power. Motherboard is no powering. Even here the indication lights, no light, no light here. Let's check. When we power on, there is no light indications. Let's open and check. Now we remove motherboard shorting. There is a shorting in motherboard, 5 volt line shorting. Now assembled in cabinet also. Now check. We on power. Power is on. Indication light is glow, and beep sound of Mac booting is also coming. This case study is solved. This iMac is ready for the delivery. This case study is complete today. Thank you.